Hey, you ever wonder how in the world that other investor bought the property that you were making an offer on, like seemingly right out from underneath you? Or how they got it for so cheap? Well, stay tuned regularly and you'll know exactly what they're doing and saying so that you can improve your process and better serve your clients so you can close more deals. And in this video, we'll take a peek behind the curtain of a real life seller lead call. We'll expose the best kept secrets surrounding seller lead conversations as our experts at Real Estate Funnel Systems work one-on-one with both new and seasoned real estate investors across the country. We're going to be analyzing what's working and what we can improve upon. Hi, my name's Christian Weatherspoon. I'm the co-founder here at Real Estate Funnel Systems. And in this episode, my partner Erik B., who's conducted thousands of real estate seller appointments with a 33% close ratio, he's going to analyze a real-life seller lead call with one of our clients. And if you find this video valuable, please like it with a big thumbs up. Let YouTube know that. And if you're new to this channel and you want more videos like this one, be sure to subscribe and hit that notification bell so you don't miss out. Well, let's get started.
For Susan, see how it goes.
Yeah. Hi, is this Martha?
Who is this?
This is Susan from Trusted Home Buyers.
Yeah, go on.
Okay. I had reached out to you about your property on Growing, and then you text back, I'm not a dolphin, but just wondering, do you have time to talk about your house?
I'm driving right now. You got me a little bit. Go ahead.
Okay. All right. So I just wanted to talk to you. I know you communicated with one of my associates about your property, and I just need some information. I know you said, in the text I saw that, you want me to do my due diligence, etc. You don't want any BS. But in order for me to do that,
you're not the first person to call, believe me.
I'm sure.
It's like every day 4 or 5 people.
Yeah. Okay.
It's getting.
Is it something?
Because they want the house because everybody's moving out of the freaking city.
Yeah.
We need it.
Yeah.
Yeah, no one wants to rent no more.
What's that?
No one wants to rent no more. Ever since the government gave everybody free rent, everybody's getting their houses now. They want to sell.
Yeah, I think things are starting to change a little bit there, but I'm seeing some changes in the market. But is it something you're honestly looking to sell, or is it just you took a text and you were just going, okay, I'll just text this person and I don't know.
I'm ready to go. I'm ready to go if I get my offer. A decent offer. That's it.
All right. And what are you looking for?
At least 75. Well, my son wants 80, but 75 to 80.
Okay. All right. Well, tell me a little bit about it. I know nothing about it. Do you have time to talk?
Okay. It's a townhouse, 2-bedroom, 1 full bath, living room, dining room, attached kitchen, no finished basement, has a toilet in the basement, front porch enclosed, rear porch covered, new roof put on about 1.5 years ago. It needs interior work, but that's quite all right because everybody wants interior work. They're going to replace the bathroom and the kitchen anyway.
Right.
So I know that. That's the first 2 things they do. There's people down the street already renovating, and the Mexicans are in there. They're selling them like that, But people, I talked to a person there. He goes like, "Sure, the man gave me a decent offer." I said, "Yes." They put about 1.5 months into it. They sold it. One guy, one guy came up to me and offered me the 75, and he calls me back later and says, "Oh no, we can only do so much." And I go like, and then he started acting real buddy. "Oh, you're my friend. I thought we were friends." I said, "Buddy, it's business. You know what I mean?
Yeah.
You're not my friend."
Right.
And I know his act. His act works like this: the less he gets for, the more his commission is. I told him that, and he was all hung up on me. I said, "Goodbye, 75. Well, don't even talk to me."
Okay.
Okay. Now what do you?
What did he
what's that?
insult you with? What did he insult
like
you with?
69.5.
Okay. All right. Well, it wasn't too far off of what you're looking for, though.
Yeah, but still, I got to pay taxes and all. You know what I mean? Well, that's a five.
Okay. And does anybody live in it now? Your son or anybody?
My son was living in it. What happened is he got in a severe motorcycle accident, and he's unable to use stairs. So we're trying to find enough money to find himself on a one level or somewhere, even if it's a mobile home or something. And those are pretty reasonable. If you get mobile home, and it's only the only thing you're stuck with is just the monthly ground rent. That's it. But there's no taxes or anything like that.
Okay. All right. So he is not in there now. Is that correct?
No, he moved out there roughly 3 years ago. He was in the process of renovating.
Okay. All right. So has it been vacant for 3 years?
Yeah. Well, no one's living there, but I go back and forth there quite often.
Yeah. Okay. All right. I gotcha. Okay. So if it's been vacant for so long, how come you haven't sold it in the meantime?
Well, it's his mother's house. It was really my mother's house, and it was to help my son out. And the COVID came along with all this mess. Jason didn't want to sell it. I really wanted to live there. He wanted to live there, but now we realize it's not going to work. Just open the operations and all come along, but COVID pretty much screwed that up.
Okay. Gotcha. Okay. Now, from what you told me, it sounds like the kitchen and the bath need updating. Did I hear that right?
Oh yeah, just take it all out. It's not a big kitchen. It's not a big bath. I mean, just take it down. The rest is they get the Mexicans in there. They come in there. They do their painting. They do the floor. They put the fake carpet on. I know the deal.
Yeah. Well, I mean, you're being honest with me. Just give me the scoop. Does it have air conditioning? How's the windows? How's the roof? What's the deal?
The roof is brand new.
Okay.
Air conditioning has window unit. One window unit.
Okay.
Nice job.
Okay. All right.
Up on the first floor.
Gotcha. And how about the windows? Do they need to be replaced still?
Yeah. Let's see. I would upgrade it.
Okay. All right. Okay. All right.
Really, that's not too much because you're not looking at many windows, and the front porch it's enclosed, so you don't have to worry about anything there. Hold on, Jay. What are you saying, Jay? Make a recording of what you're saying right now. Yeah, I should just make a recording on this and put it on to you. I mean, I've been going through this. It's getting old.
I'm sure.
That's why we don't answer anymore. That's why we don't answer.
Yeah.
You just happen to squeeze by because I didn't have a big old spam sitting on it,
Right. Well, see, because I'm not your typical spammer, and I'm not a cold caller. They have people that cold call, and so I understand. There's a lot of people like you. It's probably an absentee owner list, and you get a zillion calls because everybody looks that up. So I get where you're coming from. So. And I appreciate you taking the time with me. Do you owe anything still on this property?
Not a cent.
Okay. All right. So anything else you want to tell me about a good, bad, ugly, whatever?
It's brick. The location's great. It's in one location within this neighborhood. It's the high ground. When you're on the front porch, it's enclosed. You got a view of the whole Boulevard Street going down. You don't have to look across the street at a row home or anything. Okay? The house to the left of me and the house to the left of me and the house to the right of me has been renovated. And the guys living on the left, they've been there. And the one on the right, it's been renovated. We just had a renter put in there. So, and they're in really good shape. They're in really good shape.
Yeah.
So, it's not the problem of, here's a house, we're going to fix it up. But the problem is the neighbors look like a bunch of, AT&T, Alabama trailer trash. But that's it.
Yeah.
But the houses are good. They're in good shape.
Yeah. Okay, and I did some research before I called you. because I didn't want to be a dolphin and not do my due diligence, but I didn't have any info to go on.
Okay.
Actually, I'm more of a person. I like food here.
Yeah,
What?
I like to have that's what you got them talking, right? I like to have the people do a little digging and find out exactly how much the homes are going for there. So at least they have an idea of what's happening instead of me trying to spread the manure around. You know what I mean?
Yeah, no, I got that, and I believe me, I know. I'm in this business, and I get all these stupid calls. I'm like, good Lord, this is what I do for a living. Would you take me off your list? And they never do, but so I get it. But listen, I appreciate you talking to me. I'm going to do some research, and I'll give you a call back on Monday, tell you if it makes sense for us to come out and take a look at it. And I know what you said no to. I know what you want, and so I appreciate that.
No problem. Monday's a good call time. I'm having my plumber's coming over to work on my house presently. That's this weekend, and so on and so forth. Because I only live a block and a half away.
Okay.
You know? All right,
And-
Joe.
and
Thanks for giving me a call.
Well, wait, what's your first name?
Martin.
Okay, because they have Martin, and they have another name. Okay, all right, Martin.
They have Martinez, which is my Dutch birth name. But everybody calls me Martin for short.
I'm sure they do.
Yeah,
Okay,
so
all
we
right,
got
Martin.
a lot of workers calling. I'm happy you're speaking English. Half these people calling up, man. It's like, where are you at, Taco Bell? Or are you in India somewhere, eating curry?
Oh, I know. My name is Patrick from India. I get you.
I know, yeah. Patrick Himalaya, right. Okay, hon.
That's right. All right,
Well,
sweetie,
Monday-
thank you.
You guys, thank you. Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
I'm going to get your call.
Wow. Susan, great job. Great job on that call. That was not going to be easy no matter what. That personality, he was a little rough around the edges. But, man, you got the guy on the phone, which was half the battle. You heard him say, like, he doesn't pick up calls. He doesn't do this. And you could tell that he has told many people just to go kick rocks. So you kept him on the phone first and foremost, and you got to the end of the call with rapport. So, I mean, like, well done. What contributed to that? Why did you have a good call? To me, what I wrote down in my notes here, you just did a great job of just defusing him, keeping the conversation going, never getting offended. And you played into everything. So yeah, you were able to relate with him. You made the call relatable, and through just kind of yesing his some of his outrageous comments or whatever else. It was, you rolled with it really, really well, and that allowed the rapport to go up, and you related with all of his frustrations, the cold callers, and you made him feel comfortable, which was freaking awesome. You got all the hard facts out. Obviously he's going to be a tough negotiate if he's like telling some guy that's insulting at 69.5 when he wants 75. So, you did the right thing by not resisting there or, getting into a price fight, but just letting him know that you would do more due diligence. And obviously I think the one spot where you may have been able to get a little bit more ground there, would have been the soft questions of, what are you going to do if you don't sell the play, if you don't get that dollar, are you just going to hold on to the place, or are you willing to negotiate off of that number, or are you going to hold off, or what's the plan if you don't get that number? Because it sounds like you have a lot of interest, but you're not getting the number you want. So how long are you going to hold out for? Okay. The market's changing already. So, I mean, we may have already hit the high of the marketplace. Are you going to prepared to wait if your property doesn't continue to go up in value. It might even slip in value. Those would be kind of questions that you may have been able to weave in there, just to kind of get him feeling that pain a little bit more, because they have a real pain. There was a big bike accident and there's a big problem. You know, his son can't go upstairs. Like, that's a big problem. Health and all of that, that's a big problem. So, you know, that house it's the perfect thing for them to sell. So, I think that there's really likely a deal here. You're just going to have to be soft on that negotiation and not piss him off and get him to hang up on you if you're like not on his number. So that's going to be the next challenge, which I think you can handle. But yeah, you know, at the very end of the call, I'm just reviewing my notes here. You were just so straight to the point, and you matched him like that with his intensity. Like, okay, I know what you want. I know what you say no to. I'm going to go do this. Da, 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 da. And he really respected that. So, you know, he was calling you hun, or, you know, like that. That's just the way, you know, he was seeing, you know, eye to eye with you for sure. So, you know, good call. Great. So I can't wait to hear how the next step goes.
Hey, I hope you found this video helpful, and even more important than just one video is to continue to stay plugged in and practice these success habits. So don't forget to like this video, subscribe to our channel, and hit the notification bell so you don't miss anything we post. Always remember too that you can't just watch the video. You have to implement what you've learned. So I encourage you to take action, because this is what practice looks like. Now, these videos cover what a seller lead call looks like. And to uncover what our winning seller appointments look like, I put together a quick but in-depth 20-minute training on Erik's system that he created to analyze deals with speed and accuracy, and to get a property under contract on the spot at the seller appointment with no paperwork. Simply just click the link in the description of this video that says the ultimate seller appointment. And when you register with your name and email, we'll also share the top performing Smile and Dial seller lead scripts. And those are what our clients and we use to qualify and close leads with ease over the phone in today's market. And this free 20-minute training will cover essentially the system that Erik created to bring our business into the digital age. And I'll share exactly what and how to do that so that you can model it as well. Simply click the Ultimate Seller Appointment link down in the description to register, and also take advantage of those winning Smile and Dial seller lead scripts, and make every seller appointment the ultimate seller appointment. We'll see you in the training, and we'll see you in the next video too.